right, here we go, Ashley. Welcome to CSC. How's it going?
Terrified. I'm terrified.
You're terrified? Did somebody talk you into this?
Karen, it's all Karen. Yeah, it's all Karen. All Karen's fault.
Karen's fault?
Yeah, I love her for her. We're excited. I think I might die.
I hope not. You're going skydiving with my friend.
I hope not too then.
So do you have anything you want to say to anybody out there when you're watching this skydiving video later?
Hope I make it.
I hope you make it too.
I hope I see whoever watches this later.
I think you will. I think you'll be able to watch this as well. Well, the airplane's on its way down, so let's go have some fun, all right?
All right, let's do this.
All right.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step.
What'd you think of that, Ashley?
Oh my god, it was fucking awesome!
See, it wasn't so bad, was it?
Oh, it was awesome.
Would you do it again?
I would do it again.
Yeah?
It was awesome.
Awesome, you did a great job. Why don't you guys give me a big thumbs up for the camera? All right.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.